This is my bike check. Okay, well, everything's pretty much off. This is the Sunday start 2012 Shamrock Green. So I guess let's start with front. Okay, we got Duro tires, like the stock rims and spokes. I got the pipe cleaner to clean my hubs. Sunday Odyssey forks. And then right here, I honestly don't know, some no-name brand pegs. But then I got a new black Sunday stem, because my other one was fucked up. Handlebars, green. Okay, ODI long necks red, and then ODI long neck bar ends. Wait, ODI bar ends red. GoPro sticker, DK bicycle sticker, frames Sunday. Odyssey twisted PC black pedals. KMC 410 chain. Stock cranks. Stock stem. Probably getting a new one. And at the back we got Odyssey tires. Stock rim, stock spokes, same no-name peg. And got the hubs to clean. Got a new seat clamp. It came with my bike. I got a spare, a Sunday one. Normal 5 or 6 inch seat post. Odyssey slim seat. And then it's basically good for my helmet and my gloves. For my gloves, I changed them. I had Rockstars, but now, I had Foxes. Now I'm rolling with Rockstars. I don't know what the fuck that is. Then I got the Gyro Flak gray helmet, GoPro sticker. Yeah, that's basically it.